In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate your meeting ID in Microsoft Teams. This is a vital skill, especially if you need to share your meeting details quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to teams.microsoft.com. This is the central hub for all your Microsoft Teams activities. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you're not automatically logged in, enter your email and password as prompted. Make sure to use the account your meeting is associated with to avoid any confusion. Once you've signed in, your next step is to open the calendar where all your scheduled meetings are neatly organized. On the left sidebar, there should be a tab labeled Calendar. Click on it, and you should see a visual schedule of your upcoming meetings. Find and select the specific meeting you wish to view. Clicking on this meeting will bring up a details window, giving you more insight into every aspect of your meeting. With the meeting details window open, we'll move on to the most important part of this tutorial, locating your meeting ID. To do this, you need to click the Edit button within the meeting details. This will take you to the meeting's editing interface, allowing you to view and change various parameters about your meeting. Scroll down the page until you spot a section labeled Meeting ID. This block of information is integral to sharing your meeting with others, providing a unique identifier that participants can use to join. And that's it. You've successfully located your meeting ID in Microsoft Teams. This process is straightforward, but those few clicks make a world of difference when coordinating with your team. Keep in mind that having your meeting ID readily available makes joining a meeting far smoother for participants who might not have direct links. Remember, organization and clarity are key when navigating virtual workspaces. Efficient use of platforms like Microsoft Teams can drastically improve your workflow and enhance communication with your team. Knowing how to quickly access and share essential details like a meeting ID is a small step that contributes significantly to the fluid operation of remote meetings. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on locating your meeting ID. With practice, these steps will become second nature, empowering you to manage your meetings effectively. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.